Let's see how we can create a Windows Form application using Windows Forms application feature in Microsoft Visual Studio. First, you should go to the file and go to new and select project. Then here in the new project pop-up, please select Visual C Sharp. Then select Windows, and here we have the Windows Forms application. So click on that. So I have correctly selected the things. Then the project name, Windows Form application 1, it's fine, and you can select your location. So it's level 3 C sharp, so I'm going to select it, and I have changed my mind, so I'm going to change the name of the project called Windows application age check cal. So if you get a error like this, don't try to add more characters to your project name, just delete some characters. So let me remove this lengthy name, age check cal. Right, so the path, it's the default one, then create solution, don't change these things, then press OK. I'm going to press no. Right, here you have your Windows form. So now let's see how we can customize the form. To customize the form, you should click on the form and right click and go to properties. Here we have the properties bar, so you can adjust it like this. So let me change the foreground color. Here select the fore color, and here we have options. So I will select it as gray or something like this. So I have been in the incorrect section, so it's under the appearance back color, this custom, so I'm going to select this. Right, it's fine. Then make sure to save, Control S to save. So what about this form title? So you can easily change it using the text property in the appearance. Here we have the text, it's called form 1. So let me change it to age calculator, and save, Control S. Here you can see it has been changed now. So as the first thing, let me add a label to this form. In that case, I should open the toolbox. So here I have the toolbox. If it is not visible, you can go to the view, and here you have the toolbox option. Otherwise, you can use the hotkey Control plus Alt plus X. So let me remove the toolbox and show you how you can get this. Here I don't have my toolbox. Now you can go to the view and select toolbox. Here you have the toolbox. So if you pin it, so click the toolbox, and here you have the pin box. If you pin it, you can arrange your workshop, then press save. So as the first thing, I'm going to search in the search bar text box. Here we have the text box, so you can drag it and keep somewhere else. So I'm going to drag it like this and keep here, and I will adjust the name and the font size of this. So how to adjust it? Click on it, right click and select properties. So again, head back to the properties window, and here in the font group, maximize it, and here you can change the size. So let me change it to 18 and Control S to save. So we have a form size of 18. Then let me add a label here. So how to add a label? Go back to the toolbox, type label, and drag and drop here. And currently you can't see the text, so let's customize it. Click on the label, right click and go to properties, and here you can see appearance back color is green, so that's a problem. So click on that and you can select any color you want. So let me select this color. So the label is in light blue color, And let me change the font color also. How to change the font color? Go to the font group, and here we have the 4 color. 4 color is the font color. So click on that, drop down and customize the color. Let me create it in red color. Now you can see, you can correctly see the label text. How to change the label inside text? Again, scroll down. Here in font, you have a thing called text. It says label 1 currently. So let me change it to, click here, then save. It has been changed. So since I intended to add the name there, again change the text to name. Enter name, then semicolon, then save. Here you have the label and the text box. So let me quickly add another label and a text box. Again drag, keep it here, and change the back color to anything you like. Again I'll select blue, and font color is going to be red color. Then save, and here change the text here in the font text to enter age. Then save, and we have the label. And let me add another text box. Drag and drop here, and as I remember, I have changed the font size of the text box to 18. So going to go to font size 18, Control S to save, and let me drag it like this. Okay, fine. Right. Now the final step. So let me add the driving force, main driving force, or the driving thing of Windows Form. So it's a button. So just search for button, click and drag, keep it here, right click and press properties. And if you want, you can change the back color. Let me check the background color to something like this, and let me change the font color. Even I will change it to black color. Then in the font group, here we have this text, so change here to calculate, then save, and that's it. So you have a Windows Form with 2 labels and 2 text boxes and 1 button.